Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify not connecting on ladder. So if Spotify isn't connecting to your app on iPhone, it's usually caused by accounts linking issues, permission problems, or a broken session between apps. So actually guys, you will need at first to starts by opening your ladder app and then just go with the settings. How so? You only just to tap on the profile picture that's located at the top right corner of the screen or the dashboard's screen, and then just go with the settings right here, or the gear icon that's located at the top right of it. So right here guys, you only just to go with the integrations right here. So tap it and then go with the music section, preferred music source, tap it and go with the Spotify. Okay, so once you tap it, you will be able to have the access to your Spotify or to integrate your ladder app with your Spotify. So if it's already connected and you have the issue, you only just to disconnect it. So you will need to go with none, then reconnect it. All right, and now just log out from your account, yeah, and log back in. So this fixes most connection failure. Also guys, you will need to check the Spotify login status. So open the Spotify app and make sure that you are logged in and the music plays normally. So if Spotify isn't working alone, ladder can't connect to it. Also guys, you will need to check your internet connection, so just swipe down from the top right corner of your screen or your phone screen and tap and hold right here, and then go and switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data and avoid weak or unstable connection or networks, because both apps need stable internet. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.